Hello students, welcome in one another lecture of subject Public Health Engineering. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss the types of valves which can be used for the distribution of water or in the distribution of water system. In previous lecture, we had discussed the types of joints which can be used for the joint the pipes of water distribution systems. Now we are going to discuss the types of valves. Now see what is the valves. What is the meaning of valves? Definition of valve is a valve is a device that shuts off, start or control the flow of fluid or the flow of water. In the water distribution system, the function of valve is it can be shut off or it is a device that shut off or start or control the flow of water in the distribution system. Now see, there are different types of valves which are used in domestic water distribution system. There are various types of valves which can be used in domestic water distribution systems. The valves are used to control the flow of water, release or admit the air and regulate the pressure. In the water distribution system, what is the functions of valve or for what purpose the valves are used? It is used for control the flow of water, then release or admit the air and then regulate the pressure. Now see what are the types of valves. There is a six types of valves in that. First is a sluice valve or gate valve or stop valve. After that the second is a pressure relief valve. Then third is a reflux valve or check valve. Fourth is a air valve. Fifth is a square valve and sixth is a globe valves. These are the types of valves. Now we are going to discuss one by one all types of valves. First type of valve is a sluice valve or gate valve or stop valve. These valves are located at the intersection of pipe lines or at the street corners. The sluice valve or gate valve are located at the intersection of pipe lines or at the street corners. At the time or at the condition there is a intersection of two pipes, then that time the sluice valves are located on that pipes or it is also located on the corners of streets. Now what is the function of that sluice valves? The valves are used to control the flow of water in distribution of water or in distribution system. The sluice valves or gate valves are used to control the flow of water. Now see what is the location of that sluice valve or gate valve. These valves are located at the distance about 150 meter to 200 meter and at all junction are located at the intersection of pipes or at street corners. The location of sluice valve is it can be located at the distance of 150 to 200 meter in the distribution system or it also located at the junctions or intersection of pipes or it also located at street corners. See, this is the sluice or gate valve. Now see the cursor. This is one pipe and the water is flowing through this pipe. When we have to stop the flow of water or we have to control the flow of water, then we can use this sluice valve or gate valve. This is the structure of sluice or gate valve. It has one rounded handle, then one stem, then wedge shaped valve, and when we are going to stop the flow of water, then this valve are get at the water main and stop the flow of water. See, this is the sluice or gate valve which can be used at the intersection of pipes or at the street corners. Then after sluice or gate valve or stop valve, the second type of valve is the pressure relief valve. Now see what is the pressure relief valve. It is a fixed at downstream ends of long length of mains where water hammer may occur. These pressure relief valves are fixed at the downstream end of the long length pipes or of long length mains where water hammer may occur. In the condition of water hammer or in condition of the pipes where the water hammer may occur, at that time we are going to use this pressure relief valve. Now see, what is the concept of water hammer? When there is a flow of water is in high speed, then there is a possibility of the high pressure into the water. Then due to that high pressure, the water pipe are get damaged, or there is a high possibility to get damage this water pipe, and the leakage of pipe is occur at that time, and that condition is known as a water hammer. And when this water hammer condition is possible in any water main or any pipe, then at that time we are going to fix the pressure relief valve in this pipe. That is, it is a fixed at downstream ends of long length of mains where water hammer may occur. Then the next point is, these valves are used to relieve excessive pressure. The excessive pressure which is created in the water main or in water pipe, this excessive pressure is relieved by using the pressure relief valve. Now what is the location of this pressure relief valve? The location is, it is located at the downstream ends of the long length. The pressure relief valve are located at the downstream end of the pipe or the downstream end of the long length water main. Now, what is the function of this pressure relief valve? When pressure exceeds permissible limit, then to release that pressure we use the pressure relief valve. This is the function of pressure relief valve. When the pressure in the water main is exceed their permissible limit, then this excess pressure is released by using this pressure relief valve. See, this is the pressure relief valve. This is the water main. See the cursor. This is the water main, and at that water main we are going to place this pressure relief valve. It has a rounded handle, then stem, then the spring is round at the stem, and at bottom it has a disc. When the pressure in water main is high, then this excessive high pressure is removed by using this valve. See, this is the picture of water relief sorry pressure relief valve. In this valve we are going to remove the excess pressure from the water main. After pressure relief valve, the third type of valve is a reflux valve or check valve or non-return valve. Now see, what is the location of this reflux valve? This type of valve are located in long pumping main to avoid back pressure on the engine. What is the reflux valve? Or the reflux valve is the valve which avoid the back pressure of the water or back pressure into the water system. And the location of this reflux valve is, this type of valve are located in long pumping main to avoid the back pressure on the engine. What is the function of reflux valve or check valve or non-return valve? Such valve opens only when in the direction of flow, hence in case of pump fails or stops. The reflux valves are open only when in the flow or in the direction of flow, or in case of pumps are fails or pump get stopped, then to avoid the back pressure of the water we are going to use this reflux valve. The water will not come back to the pump. Due to this, pumping equipment gets saved from damage. Due to reflux valve, what will happen? The when pumps are stopped or pumps are get fail, then water will not come back to the pump due to These pumping equipment are staved or it does not damage. It also prevents the entry of polluted water in filtered water. This valve also prevents the entry of polluted water into the filtered water. That is, in the water treatment plant, we are going to use this reflux valve to water which is supplied to that water treatment plant. See, this is the reflux valve. This valve, the cover of valve, and this is the main or the distribution system. When the pump is get stopped, then it can be avoid this valve avoid the back watering or the back pressure of water. See, this is the structure or figure of the this valve or reflux valve. Now, after reflux valve, the fourth is the air valve or air relief valve. Now, see, the name of valve is air relief valve. That is, this valve remove the air from the main or from the pipe. Now see what is the location of air relief valve. Air valve are installed or provided at every summit of rising main to release or exit the accumulated air in the pipeline. This air relief valve is installed at the summit of rising main, or it can be used to release the exit the accumulated air into the pipeline. When the air is accumulated into the pipeline, then this air is released by using this air relief valve. The air valve should be provided at point when are closed to or above the hydraulic gradient. At the condition of hydraulic or the at the condition when main is above the hydraulic gradient, then this air relief valve is provided. The air relief valve should be provided at the point are closed when the water distribution pipes are closed or that points are closed or it is above the hydraulic gradient, then air relief valve is used. Now see what is the function of air relief valve. When water flows through the pipe, some air are get carried with water and further get accumulated at high points of pipes. When water is going to flow through the pipes, the some air is carried with water into that pipes, and at the high points of pipes or at the high point pipes, this air is get accumulated. This accumulated air block the flow of water. In some conditions, this accumulated air is going to block the flow of water. In such condition, air valve release to remove the air and avoid the blockage of flow. At the condition when air is blocked the flow of water, we are going to use this air relief valve and we are going to release this air relief valve, and air is get removed from the main and avoid it can be avoid the blockage of flow. See, this is the air relief valve. See, in the first diagram, it is the operating for air valves or it is the operating air valve. Then see, it is has the high point of the pipe, then water is flow from this, it has the air and this air is get released from this air valve. See, this is in second figure, this is the air openings and float are provided into that opening, and it can be going to release the air from the pipe or from the main of water distribution. See, this is the air relief valve. After air relief valve, the next is a screw valve. Now see what is a screw valve. These valves are fixed at every depression and dead ends. At the depression or when we are going to distribute the water, there is some area is a depressed area, and that area of depression we can going to use this screw valves, and at the dead ends of the mains we are going to use these screw valves. If any skewering or deposition of sediment is there, then washed out by this valve. If there is a deposition of sediments or the scouring or the any polluted material, and that deposition is washed by using these walls. Now see what is the location of these walls. This type of walls are located at every depression and dead ends if there is any scouring or deposition of sediment or silt. And the function of this wall is remove the sediments or silt deposition. See, this is a square wall. This wall is used to remove the sediment or silt into the water distribution mains. After that, the last one is the globe valve. This valve are provided to the water main so as control the rate of flow. For controlling the rate of flow into the water main, this valve is used. See, this is the diagram of globe valve. It has one stem, then bonnet, then plug and the body of valve. To control the water flow or the rate of water, this valve is used. Hope you all get these all types of valves. Now we are going to just overview again these all types of valves. Now see again what is a valve. A valve is a device that shuts off, start or control the flow of fluid. Then what is the function of valve? Control the flow of water, then release or admit the air and regulate the pressure. Then there is a six type of valves. In that first is a sluice valve or gate valve or stop valve. This valve is used to control the water into the distribution system. After that, second is the pressure relief valve. The pressure relief valve is used to release the pressure from the water main. After that, third is the reflux valve or check valve or non-return valve. This check valve or reflux valve is used at the time of water is get pumping, and at the time that pump is get stopped, then back pressure or back water is avoided by that reflux valve. After that, fourth is the air relief valve. This air relief valve is used to relieve the air from the water main. After that, fifth is a square valve. This valve is used to remove the sediment or silt from the water main. After that, the sixth is a globe valve. This valve is provided to water mains control the rate of water flow. Hope you all get these all six types of valves which can be used in the water distribution system. It is very easy to understand and it is very easy concept. Please remember these are types of valves. In last lecture we had discussed the types of joints, and in today's lecture we had discussed the types of valves. Please remember that all. Thank you.